Yeah, so okay, Kapoor, tell us what is this assignment all about in your words?
So what I studied is like, so basically you should go into, you have to read all the, slides before our assignment. So
Okay, okay,
2.1.
let's do it this way. So
Sure.
we are talking about first of all we are talking about this course which is the assignment which is bidding, right? And this is bidding is an assignment basically understand the event bid process, right?
Yes, it is.
And this is part of what do we say? This is under the
Special,
special event
special.
management, right?
Yes, it
Under
is.
special event management, we have been given an assignment which is like formulating a bidding process. And if I go to content, let us see the assignment first. Can we do that?
Yeah, sure.
So if I go to 2.7, it shows me assignment, create an outline for a bid, right? So can you tell us more about it, Kapoor? What is it about?
Yeah, sure. So it is about like we have to create a bid for Western, I guess, softball 2023. So
Okay.
basically, what I understood is like for your first page, we have to create a title page. Then before beneath that, we have to create a like what community we choose, and we have to tell about some community and why we are choosing that community. Okay. Then after that, we have to tell like why have we chose this committee because it has venue. Then we have to in when we will go in our 2.5, we will see a link down there. Can you show that link?
Yeah, just a second. Let me go
Sure.
back
Sure.
to 2.5 to
Yeah,
see.
2.5.
So the bid process
Yeah.
resources. Okay, I'm at 2.5 and you want me to click on document that outlines the bid document?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I'm on that document. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
So I've got the bid document. This page says the bid document section A to G.
Yeah. So what I looked into, like for our bullet point, we have to I what I think is we have to clear all that bullet points. So if you can go to the venue, if you can, like
Menu,
I'll
sure.
tell you where it is. It is E2 host competitive
Yeah,
venue
is
something.
it venue management and operations, section E?
E2, I guess. Yeah, yeah, could be E2. Mine is E2 host competition
E2,
venue.
yeah, here it is.
So it is select venue that are. So I think in our bullet points we have to explain all of this. Like we have to give why we choose this venue, and after that we have to put because this and this. Like three points would be like that. What I think,
Okay.
and
Okay.
this
So
is how I will do it.
see, even if we are discussing and even if you're discussing and we are like wrong, if we are not right, but we are
Yeah,
close to being right, it is
yeah,
okay.
I think,
It is
yeah,
some
I think
progress.
so.
Don't worry. So
It is.
with a wrong assumption, let us go and discuss it with Jane on Monday.
Yeah,
We will
sure.
be making some steps, right? But even if you're not doing it right, we are at least making some taking some steps in the right direction, and we can always edit it, which
Yeah.
is
One more thing, I would say like to everybody, like they should read all the from 2 to 2.7. They should read the step 2 of LO1.
so
So
where
it
is
would be more
the
clear for them.
yeah, I agree with you totally.
Yeah.
I agree with you. Where is that format that Jane had shared? Where is that available?
That format is in our mail. So she have send us two mails. So
Okay.
one of them is for bidding, and one of them is for personal branding.
I'm
So
not part of personal branding, so we can.
oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. So
Then one is for bidding, so you can go and check for the bidding.
I'm trying to access my mail, but just trying to see. Sorry, wrong. Just let me see if I can get into my mail. So, okay, I think so far. So how do we do it step by step?
Like what? Step by step
Okay,
means?
yeah, I got Jane's mail, which is Turnitin support.
Hey, it is down. This turn it in. Go down.
Okay, sample API assignment.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah. APA template. Bidding. Template
This
student
one,
bid. The next to it. Next to it.
next to it, just a second.
Yeah. Template student bid. This one, I guess. Yeah. This is the sample.
So she's taken up the example of city of Saskatoon,
Yeah.
uh, bid to host Western Canadian Softball Championship. Now, I understand that we can choose another city,
We
and
can.
can we choose another event as well? Can we, let's say, let's say dog sledging in Shellbrook or something like that? Can we do that?
No, I think we can't do that. We have to, host a bid for this particular event.
Okay, okay, we'll clarify that. See, so when we talk, we can like discuss further.
Yeah, I think because it was written in our assignment about something else, it was also related to softball, but that bid is no longer here, so that's why we changed it to like this one.
Okay, I'm gonna
Mm.
stop sharing my screen for a moment so that it
Sure.
doesn't distract. So before we end this meeting, and it's good to connect this way. Now,
Mm.
if I don't know anything about this assignment, what should be my first three steps that I should do? Where should I go? So I understand first is to go to the Brightspace, read through 2.7 and read through 2.5 carefully.
Yeah, 2.5, and I'll prefer you to read all the LOs. Like it only takes 10 minutes, man. It is very easy.
Great. And I think once I read through that, we'll have more clarity and we can get back to a
Yeah, yeah,
discussion.
sure. Yeah, you will.
So I think let's find a way to reconnect again tomorrow. Although
Sure.
I'll be gone for like a 12-hour shift,
Yeah,
something, but
you're on. Yeah,
I'll come
that's
back.
fine.
But we'll
We'll
connect.
have a chat at the college.
Yeah, we can reconnect on Monday also. Would be
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah,
I've recorded this for the others,
sure.
so hopefully others will make use of this. And I hope you stay warm, you stay indoors, and
Yeah, you too, man. Thank you for connecting.
I have to go out for like hunting tomorrow. Hunting, I mean bread and butter. matlab, I have to go step out to work.
That's
4
fine,
a.m.
man.
I'll be out 4 a.m. to reach my work at 5 a.m. But that's life.
That is,
Yeah. Thank you. And just try and keep busy, do things,
yeah,
read, and just try and connect and see. There are a lot of online Zoom communities that like kind of meet up. So find ways to do that. I'll try and share something for
yeah,
finally.
sure, man. Please share something.
For sure, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Babu.
Thank
Take
you so
care.
much.
We'll
Okay,
on, okay. Thank you.
okay. Bye, man. Take care.
Bye.